Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums. Harshita Gaur, who is all set to come back with a new web show Punch Beat, was recently roped in by India Forums, and here we interacted with Harshita and asked her about the show, her preparations and much more. So without any further ado, let's begin. Starting up, Punch Beat's teaser has received a massive response. How does it feel?
Well, the feeling is amazing because it's looking very good and people are calling me and telling me, oh, it's looking like a film. I'm like, yeah, okay, very nice. You know, after a long time, a particular kind of youth show where you get attracted to because the visuals are good, everyone's looking good, there's something happening, you know there's punching happening, there are 2 people, 3 people, you know, who are fighting, you know. There's something happening, you know that teaser is attracting you. So I think, yeah, the teaser was really nice.
The launch date is 14th Feb. Any specific reason behind it?
भाई प्यार का दिन होता है 14 फेब और इसीलिए हमने सोचा कि हम इसको मतलब you know it's Valentine's for me. It's not only love or not only a particular kind of love. For me it's a love which is for your family or for your friend or for your brother, sister or for anything in the world. So I think it's a good day to celebrate love.
Also, we have seen you guys preparing too hard for the role. Tell us about that process.
The process, initial process was I had to get enrolled myself into Kathak classes again, and because I had done Kathak for quite some time, for like 6 years, but I had left it in between. And this show gave me an opportunity to, you know, come back to it and start preparing Kathak for this show again. And I loved the process because I ended up actually giving my 5th year exams of Kathak. So that way it was really nice. But yeah, it was hard. After you leave dance, to get back to it, to get that rhythm back in your body gets a bit difficult. But you have to see and tell me now.
Your bond with the co-stars was seen in your Insta stories. You used to work out together. How was the experience shooting with Priyank and others?
Oh, it was damn good. See, working out in Dehradun was amazing because all we had to do is shoot, come back and work out. And workout was a very different energy because not only the actors, and actors were only so many, but everyone, like even the... So our DOP, Mr. Anubhav Bansal, started this trend of, you know, coming back and gymming and all, and everybody, like, you know, all the creators were there, and the production people got involved. So different energy was there on the set, post the set, you know, in the hotel. But yeah, with Priyank it's always fun. We kind of make videos of at times gymming and all, and then generally also he'll just pick up his phone and, you know, start clicking or start making a story. That's how he is.
Do you guys hang out even now?
We do in a group, like all the cast, we have immense love for each other, and not all at the same time, but we do hang out.
We've seen a bunch of school and college romances and love stories over the years. What's different about Punch Beat?
देखो different तो कुछ नहीं होता, ठीक है? मतलब अगर वो youth drama है तो बहुत सारी चीजें, emotions जो होते हैं वो उसी तरीके से होंगे, पर इमोशन सेम ही रहते हैं, लेकिन आप किस तरीके से उसको शो कर रहे हैं वो बदल जाता है. बस एक बेसलाइन स्टोरी डिफरेंट है इस शो की, और उस बेसलाइन पे डिपेंड करके जो व्हाटएवर द कैरेक्टर्स आर डूइंग, वो सब इमोशंस जिस तरीके से बाहर लेकर आ रहे हैं वही डिफरेंट है. लेकिन सब यूथ शोज या कोई भी एक जॉनर ऑलमोस्ट सेम ही होता है. इट्स जस्ट द डिफरेंस इज हाउ यू प्रोजेक्ट.
Also, there are comparisons with Student of the Year and the show having the same concept. What's your take?
बिल्कुल किया जाएगा क्योंकि वो लुक ऐसा है उसका. दूसरी चीज़, जब ऑलरेडी यू नो एक ऐसी चीज़ एस्टैब्लिश हो जाती है तो आप यू टेंड टू कंपेयर इट विद दैट. जैसे मिर्ज़ापुर जब आया था तो लोग उसको गैंग्स ऑफ वासेपुर से कंपेयर कर रहे थे. कल को कुछ और आएगा तो लोग उसे मिर्ज़ापुर से कंपेयर करेंगे. तो इसी तरह जब ये शो आया तो वो दिख रहा है, स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म में है, लव स्टोरी है, फ्रेंडशिप है, ये है, वो है, तो लोग उसको स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर उससे कंपेयर कर रहे हैं, जो अच्छी बात है. मुझे तो लगता है टू गेट कंपेयर टू सच अ हिट फिल्म एंड यू नो सच अ गुड लुकिंग धर्मा फिल्म, आई थिंक it's for me it's a compliment. But at the end of the day, yes, the story is different, और वो आप जब देखेंगे तभी आपको पता लगेगा.
All Balaji or web shows in general are bound to show bold scenes. Is there something like that in Punchbeat as well? And are you open for it?
नहीं यार, बोल्डनेस जो एक उस पैरामीटर को एक हाई स्कूल के उसको कवर करती है, सिर्फ उतना ही है, और वो सब आपने टीजर में देखा ही है, तो मैं ऐसे नहीं बोलूँगी कि हाँ शो देखने आओ क्योंकि बोल्ड सीन्स है। सी ओपन तो मतलब हम एक्टर्स हैं, और अगर आपकी स्क्रिप्ट को चाहिए तो आपको बिल्कुल करना चाहिए। तो ये हो गया एज एन एक्टर की बात। बाकी ऑल बालाजी पे सी हर यू हैव ऑडियंस फॉर एवरी काइंड ऑफ जॉनरा टू देयर इन आवर कंट्री। तो आपको अगर सास बहू वाली ऑडियंस है तो आपको ये वाली ऑडियंस भी है, एंड आई थिंक समवेयर ऑल बालाजी मैनेजेस इट रियली वेल। यू कैन सी द काइंड ऑफ शोज ऑल बालाजी हैज। आई थिंक वो हर टारगेट ऑडियंस को कवर करती है, and that is why probably All Balaji is the most subscribed one in India, I guess.
Why should people watch Punchbeat?
People should watch Punchbeat because it's just new age thing, like it's just there. There's so much drama in it, there's so much love, friendship, everything in it, and it's a very good looking show.
Lastly, a message to your fans.
I would just like to say that, guys, please watch and subscribe on the 14th of Feb. Whoever hasn't till yet subscribe to All Balaji. Come watch our show, give us your reviews, and yeah, that's it. And celebrate love. And because it's releasing on 14th Feb, I just want to say that love is, again, what I said earlier, that it's not about a girlfriend or boyfriend love. It is also about love for your family, for your friend, for your things. Like, we say, I love books, I love this, I love playing badminton, I love, dancing. So every kind of love, just celebrate it, whatever, you want to, on the 14th of Feb, along with watching Punchbeat. Hi, this is Harshita Gaur. You're watching me on India Forums.
We hope you enjoyed this chat with Harshita. If you did, do comment and tell us. Ashima Chawda, camera person Babaji, India Forums, Mumbai.